Yeah, it matters. I want to win. It matters, but what matters more is fairness. I don't care. But if you try to win, it doesn't matter. But what matters is, who the fuck are you to start an argument with me?
Mommy, I've got a question. Mommy, I wanna know, where do babies come from? Do they come from rainbows and love? Mommy, tell me please, where do babies come from? Really, they come from boys who like to sit on their ass. They come from girls who want to grow up too fast. They come from screaming, fighting, make up sex.
I like bike riding, it's oh so exciting, much better than fighting with all who come near me. Rope's getting tighter, my hands on the lighter, I'm playing with fire, you'd better come save me. That there's my sister, yeah you couldn't miss her, that big facial blister, her pity getting scheme. I think I hate her, those green alligators, I wish they'd had ate her if that had been beauty. But there's a part of me that's appealingly sweet. I'm sure you'd agree if you got to know me. And admittedly, I'm not that interesting, but I'll let you have what's mine if you just give me your time. If there's a party today, it's not coming my way. Should be needless to say that I need things to change. Remember yesterday? I bought you flowers, you threw them away. Coffee and peppermint tea, brewing instructions engraved on leaves. Symbols that I can't read, seems it's all written in Chinese. I could use some help translating these. I'll be there for you. I'm 23, and my folks are getting old. I know they don't have forever, and I'm scared to be alone. So I'm thankful for my sister, even though sometimes we fight. When high school wasn't easy, she's the reason I survived. I know she never leave me, and I hate to see her cry. So I wrote this verse to tell her that I'm always by her side. I wrote this verse to tell her that I'm always by her side. I wrote this verse to tell her that the world's not perfect, but it's not that bad. If we got each other, and that's all we have, I will be your brother.
it all. I'm on display for all you fuckers to see. Show you tell. Harsh words if you don't get a pick with me. Different goddesses, goddesses. Oh God. I never knew what it meant till we come to it. Have you tried crossing over yet? I wanna die, but don't really wanna die. You were there, you were here, making me aware. Every scar, all the blood, more and more, they're never done. Not enough, not enough. If you think you can be my one and only true love, you just promise to love me. And damn it if you fuck me over, I will rip your fucking face apart. High school sweethearts line up and trying to waste my time. High school sweethearts, shut up if you're not my type. High school sweethearts line up and trying to waste my time. High school sweethearts, shut up if you're not my type. Could you hold me through the night? Put your lips all over my mind. Salty face when I start crying. Could you be my first time? Heat me up like apple pie. Make me not wanna die. Love me rough and let me fly. Get me up, yeah, get me high. Tie me